We're in Gwangjang Market. It's a traditional market, very first traditional and regular market in Korea. And a lot of tourists visit here and try some like Korean, like Seoul traditional food right here. Yeah, so let's just get in. We are on the way to get into the Gwangjang Market. You can find like some of the restaurants right here. A way to try. It's yay! 맛있다. It's so sad I can't share with you guys. With onions. I'm gonna give this to our cameraman. Perfect, actually. Now we're in the Cheonggyecheon. This is pretty like a natural streams. The sidewalks are right here, and it's all surrounded by concrete, the buildings. So it's one of the place that you can chill, but still in this Seoul downtown. So this is the way to go to get in. So let's just start it. 엄청 잘 나오네. See the waterfalls. This is artificial waterfall, but it's pretty. So maybe you can just take a selfie right here, or you can just enjoy with your. And there's some lights over there. The variation of the lights, and sitting right here, you can see like those rainbow styles of the bridge. This is one of the place a lot of Korean people chill and get some rest and spend their times in here, free times in here. You can do, in the middle, there's a Cheonggyecheon right here, and middle of it, there's two different like both side of it. Most of people just like they're sitting down on the stairs right next to the streams, and they are just talking. So a lot of like romantic movies and dramas is also take a balance in here. Woo! Ciao. 조심하세요.